In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for jobs on Zoho in just 5 minutes. A quick and efficient process, applying to Zoho could be your first step toward an exciting career. Let's get started by visiting the Zoho website, which you can do by typing zoho.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you're going to see the vibrant and interactive Zoho homepage. Before diving into job applications, it's essential to have an account. If you don't have one yet, you should sign up. For those who already have a Zoho account, simply sign in using your credentials. This step ensures you have access to all the features needed to apply for a job. After signing in, navigate back to the home page, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find various links, and among them will be careers. Go ahead and click on that. This link will direct you to the careers page where you'll see tons of information about working at Zoho, the company culture, and much more. But what we are interested in are the job openings. To see them, locate and click on the View Open Roles button. This action will take you to a list of all available job positions at Zoho. Now it's time to find a job role that suits your skills or interests. Browse through the job postings. Once you find a job title that piques your interest, click on it. This will lead you to a detailed job description, which is essential for understanding the requirements and expectations for the role you're considering. Give this section a thorough read. If you are convinced that the job matches your qualifications and aspirations, you'll see a button labelled I'm interested. Click on it to start your application process. You'll then be prompted to fill in all the necessary details, which will typically include your personal information, educational background, and professional experience. Be sure to pay close attention while entering these details as they form the basis of your job application. Once you've reviewed all your information and everything looks good, it's time to take the plunge by clicking on the Submit Application button. This submits your application for review by Zoho's recruitment team. Now, if you're looking for a more streamlined application process, Zoho provides an easy apply option available if you have a Zoho Corporation account. Alternatively, if you have an Indeed account, you can leverage that for a similarly seamless experience. Using these accounts can speed up the process as they automatically fill in your information. And there you have it, applying for a job on Zoho made simple and efficient. With these steps, you are well on your way to potentially joining a dynamic and innovative company. Keep an eye on your email for any communications from Zoho regarding your application status. Good luck.